happy campers, it is Savannah with Cookeville RV and Marine, and today we're going to be taking a look at this 2023 Keystone Montana 3901RK. But before we get started, make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click that bell notification because we have plenty of new inventory and we're going to be making videos soon. So let's get started. Okay, we're out here on the side of this Montana in your outdoor entertainment space, and there is plenty going on over here. We have a large awning. This awning goes over your door and it almost goes all the way to your front cap, so you have plenty of party space that is covered when it's too sunny outside. We also have an LED strip, so when it's nighttime, you can really brighten things up out here. We also have our indoor-outdoor speaker system. One fun thing about this, it's actually a JBL speaker system, so that's very nice. Also, one thing I wanted to note while we are out here, as you can see, we do have this slide right here, and this slide is actually all the way out, but it doesn't extend too far, so it's not really affecting your party space out here, which is really good. All right, now let's move on to the storage. In your pass-through storage, we have this massive space that is located at the front of your Montana. There's plenty of stuff down here, including some electrical outlets. You also have a road vac system down here. We also have our convenience bay over on that side with all your hookups you're gonna need while you're at the campground. We also have our solar disconnect, and they also added a couple lights down here to illuminate this space at night when you're down here putting things in here. Also, if things tend to get a little bit dirty while you're at the campground, they have this nice flooring in here that is really easy to clean out. And this Montana has so much space, you guys, and I want to show you my favorite part, which is the storage in the back. Okay, I told you guys that there's literally so much storage space in this Montana. This compartment is located in the back of the camper right under your rear kitchen. And as you can see, there is two side compartments, so you can access these from the side doors and place some stuff right there. And check out this best part. It has this huge tray that slides so far out. This is perfect to put if you have a ton of suitcases back here, if you're taking the whole family along with you and you need plenty of room to put all their stuff. You could honestly even put a kayak back here, or if you have a couple little kids' bikes, you want to put it on here and then just push it back in. There's so much space back here. And one more cool thing that Montana does is back here in your storage space, these doors are on magnets, so these do go up, but they've actually added another little safety thing so this doesn't pop down and hit you. There is this little button right here, so this isn't going anywhere unless you pull that button out and then close this storage space up. Now, let's check out the inside. Right when you enter your camper, we are in this hallway area. This hallway does lead to the bedroom behind me, but don't worry, we're gonna get to that later. One thing to note, there are many handles in the hallway area. There's one leading up to the stairs and one right beside the door. So if somebody in your family does have mobility issues, they're gonna easily be able to get in and out of the camper and up to the bedroom area. Some more things in your hallway. We do have a storage compartment right here. This is perfect for your coats or maybe a purse you want to get right before you leave. Also, above that, we do have our control panel. This just has all the lights and slide options for your camper all in one place, and it is very easy to access and control. The last thing in our hallway is right behind this door, so let's check it out. This is a massive half bath. Sometimes when manufacturers do put a half bath in a camper, they are on the smaller side, but as you can see, this thing is absolutely huge, and there is plenty of storage options in here. We have storage above the sink and below, so no matter if you're at the beach or at the lake, you're gonna have plenty of room for all those towels and toiletries for your guests. We also have a mirror on this side and a step to flush toilet with a little ring above to put some towels on. We also want to note that in here, these ceilings are absolutely so tall. So there is so much room in here, and it is perfect for those tall people in your family. Now, let's check out the living room. In our living area, we have this super comfy couch in here, and this is perfect for your guests because it does fold out into an extra sleeping space. So if you have plenty of guests tagging along at the campground with you, they have a place to sleep, and they also have a place to store their bags because up here there is more storage. This is perfect to throw some video games or maybe some board games, or if they have a couple bags they need to throw up there as well, they can do that. Also, one of my favorite things about this area is there is 3 windows, 2 on both sides and 1 behind me, so you're not missing out on those beautiful campground views. And another plus of this place is there is USB ports. So if you're sitting on the couch, you want to plug in your phone or maybe your laptop, you can do that right here. One more thing I wanted to mention before moving on, I'm sure you guys have noticed in all of our walkthrough videos, we do typically have the shades pulled down. The main reason for this is that it does mess up our camera. It has too much light in here when the shades are up, and we really want to focus on the camper and show y'all just how beautiful it is inside. And another reason we pull those down is because all of these campers have these blackout curtains in here, and it just goes to show how good they are and how well they black out the sunlight. But a cool thing that Keystone and this Montana has is they give you two options. So there is that blackout shade, but they also have this shade too. This allows a little bit more sunlight in while still blocking out those UV rays, which is really good. Now, let's check out the theater seats. Right beside of our fold-out sofa bed, we do have these theater seats. These seats are awesome, and they do have multiple functions on them. Right beside of me, there is this little control panel, and it has buttons with multiple massage options, a heating option, and the buttons to either pop out the seat or lean it back up. And one more cool thing right here is there is a USB port on both sides. So if you want to charge your phone sitting at your theater seats, you can do that. We also have a couple of cup holders right here and this little storage space right here. This is perfect to put a tablet in, or honestly, I'd probably throw a little bag of potato chips in there so while I'm watching TV, I can have a little snack as well. And another thing in this Montana that just adds to it and makes it have more of a homey feel. I know when I go to bed, I have to have my ceiling fan running, and you have that option in here in this living room as well, which I absolutely love. Now, let's check out that TV we're gonna be watching from our theater seats. In our entertainment space, we have this awesome smart TV. This TV is actually on a swivel, so you can see it from multiple spaces in the camper. It pulls out and you can move it so you can see it from your sofa bed, your theater seats, or your dinette, which we're about to move over and look at next. We also have lots of storage over here. This overhead storage opens up and there's plenty of space in there for board games. Maybe you want to store your tablet or other items up there. We also have some storage right here, and then below that we do have our JBL indoor-outdoor speaker system, so you control all of your music right here. And underneath that is our fireplace. This doubles as maybe just a light, or one thing about Montanas is they are a 4-season camper, so you can be in here in any season of the year. So if you're in here during those cold winter months and you want to use this fireplace to heat this place up, you can do that too. So let's move on to the dinette. In our dinette area, we do have a few chairs over here so you can eat dinner with your family. This table has lots of room, so if you want to have multiple plates in here, you're going to have plenty of room to do that, and you have plenty of elbow space so you're not bumping into the person next to you. But say you want to add a couple more people to the table, this easily pops up. You slide these supports right out, and it does have a little leaf that you can just pop up and set out, so you can add a couple more chairs and a couple more people can sit here and eat dinner with you. A couple other things that I love are these multiple windows behind me. These blinds do come up like I showed you, and you can have a beautiful view at your campground. And another little homey touch that they've added in here is this light above us. It's super cute and aesthetic and just adds a little bit more of a cozy feel in this little dinette area. Now, let's check out the kitchen. This Montana is an open floor plan, but a lot of people do ask for a little bit of separation between their kitchen and living space, and this has the best of both worlds. This kitchen is elevated and put in the back of the camper, so you have that separation, but it still is open so you can see all of these beautiful camper views. And to get up in this kitchen, we have a couple stairs and this handle right here, so if there is mobility issues, they're not gonna have any trouble getting back here because this is super sturdy. Now let's check out the rest of the kitchen. This is a beautiful U-shaped kitchen, and this kitchen has lots of functions. We have these beautiful countertops, and these are super solid and very high quality. We also have this nice open sink with, I would say this is like a catch-all or like a drying rack down in the bottom, just an extra little feature that they added for you. We also have our detachable sink head and plenty of storage down here under the sink. They even added a little trash can in there, so you don't have to bring that along. They put it in here for you. We have plenty of countertop space behind me, a little bit more storage above and below. Over here we have our stainless steel appliances. You do have a microwave, a little storage up here. This is perfect for your spices and stuff, so you can just grab those easily while you're cooking. we have a residential stovetop. This was the first thing I noticed when I walked into this kitchen. I love a gas stove like this. It is just gorgeous and really feels like you are at home cooking in your own kitchen. Very big, and you're not missing out on any of that space. We also do have an oven below and some more storage back here. One thing I love about this little corner, it is elevated on this back counter right here, and there is an electrical outlet. I would make this a little coffee corner personally. You can set your appliances back there just out of the way, but still make it look really cute, which I like. Now, let's check out the rest of the kitchen. In the rest of your kitchen, you do have this gorgeous full-size fridge. This opens up, giving you tons of space for all your food. And I love fridges that have the freezer on the bottom, and this freezer is massive. So you want to bring a lot of meat to cook, you need to hold it in the freezer for a while. You have plenty of space to do that. Or if you just want a ton of different ice cream flavors, you can do that too. Over to the left side of this, we do have this long cabinet door. This is very open, perfect for your mops, your brooms, and other cleaning supplies can go at the top on that shelf too. We have our pantry area behind me, this nice big countertop with an electrical outlet right here. Underneath, there's lots of storage for other food items, maybe some cans or other things. You could even probably fit, I would say, some full-size cereal boxes in here, but I would most likely put those over here in this super big pantry area. This opens up on the top and bottom, perfect for your cereal and other items, and in the bottom it is the same, perfect for some dog or cat food if you want to take those along with you too. Now, let's check out my favorite part, the back bedroom. Up the stairs, we do have our lovely bedroom, and one of my favorite things about this bedroom is we do have these barnhouse style doors. They're on this little wheel right here. It just adds kind of a fun and nice touch to the bedroom. We have our king size bed, and they have added these cute little pillows in here for you. On both sides of the bed, we have our window and a little shelving unit up above both, perfect for a glass of water at night or maybe a book or your phone. On both sides, there also is an electrical outlet and a couple USB ports. There also is some reading lights up there, and both sides has it. So if your partner doesn't want their light on, you can just have yours on. You don't have to have them both on at the same time. And under this bed, there is more storage. This easily pops up with storage under here. And look right there, there's the rest of our dining room chairs for your dinette. Now, let's check out what's behind me. Across from your bed, we have this lovely dresser area. We have this nice up top, perfect to store things on. And below that, you do have plenty of drawers and other storage space, perfect for your bags or maybe socks and underwear. You can just easily store those away. We also have a window right here and a TV that you can watch while you're in bed. But this isn't the only closet space in the bedroom. Let's check that out. But first, let's see the bathroom. This bathroom is huge and absolutely gorgeous. You have so much storage space. There's storage below, perfect for all of your toiletries. And over here behind me, there is some more cabinet spaces, perfect for all your towels or washcloths. We also have 2 mirrors in here for you to get ready, and we have his and her sinks. I love these bowl style sinks. They're just so cute and really gives it a homey feel. I know I've said that so much about this Montana, but I just love it. It is so cute and just really makes you feel like you're at home. And there is this massive shower with a skylight, so if you want a little bit of natural lighting in the bathroom, you have that right above you. There is shelving units in here for your soaps, and we also have this detachable shower head, and right on the outside you have your step to flush toilet. Now let's walk across the bathroom and check out the closet. This closet is absolutely huge. I would say this is honestly bigger than the closet I have at home. We have so much space in here. You do have these shelving units, perfect for your shoes, and there is another one on the other side. You have this huge hanging bar to hang up all your clothes. You also have space down below and up above for maybe a couple of duffel bags or other purses or items. Also over here on this side, we do have another hanging bar, perfect for some more clothes, and a nice little touch down here. There is a washer dryer hookup, so you could put a washer and dryer in here if you want to do some laundry while you're out on the road too. So if you like this Montana or any other units in our Keystone line, give us a call or visit us online at cookevilleRV.com, where your adventure awaits.